Welcome to the Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker. Out of the box, this speaker is in sleep mode. You'll need to connect the speaker to power in order to wake it up. Connect your USB-C plug to the power outlet on the left side of the speaker and the other end of the cable to the power outlet. The battery light blinks white while charging and solid white when fully charged.
Battery 100%.
Expected battery life on full charge is 12 hours. Press the power button to power on the speaker. Your speaker will be ready to connect and the Bluetooth button will blink blue. If your speaker is not in this state, press and hold the Bluetooth button until you hear the voice prompt.
Ready to connect.
Navigate to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or computer and enable Bluetooth. Select Bose Flex SoundLink from the device list to connect. Once connected, the Bluetooth light glows solid white.
Connected to iPhone.
You are now ready to play music or audio from your Bose SoundLink Flex Bluetooth speaker.